Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Once again, welcome sa BFTV Bombero 7. Today is a very special episode. We will officially welcome our regional director. Leadership is more than just leading an organization. It's about inspiring people, strengthening public service, and creating a culture of excellence. Behind every uniform is a person with values, experience, and a vision that helps shape the future. In today's episode, we'll get to know our newly installed regional director, not only as a leader, but also as a mentor, a family man, and a dedicated public servant, committed to serving the Central Visayas. With years of dedicated service, exemplary leadership, and unwavering commitment to public safety, he now leads the men of BFP Region 7 in pursuing excellence in fire protection, emergency response, and community service. Ladies and gentlemen, again, let us please welcome Fire Chief Superintendent Rodolfo P. Dinaga. Again, sir, congratulations to your new post. Kamusta po yung pakiramdam niyo, sir, as you take this new assignment in your career, sir?
First thing first, I would like to greet the Facebook viewers of Bombero 7 for ng magandang hapon sa lahat. Being selected
Yes, sir.
among the qualified officers to be the regional director is a great honor and pride. However, ramdam ko rin yung bigat ng responsibilidad bilang isang regional director. I have to serve the entire BEP Region 7 from Bohol to Cebu.
Yes, sir.
I have to protect the lives and properties of the community. I have to work for the welfare of my men, of my 225 BEP personnel, and our services will always be nakatuon doon sa pagpataas ng antas ng moral and welfare ng ating mga kabumbiruhan. And nakatuon din doon sa pagpapalakas ng ating serbisyo publiko, lalo na yung fire safety information campaign natin. So palakasin natin yan para with the help of the entire BEP Region 7, I know that we can reach the high standard. We can perform or deliver the high standard of services delivered by the BEP Region 7.
Wow, yes, sir. Very inspiring agad yung message nyo, sir, yung sagot nyo sa aming tanong. Sir, may we know kung ano yung first impression nyo po dito sa Region 7, pati na rin po sa mga personal tsaka sa community na paglilingkuran po natin.
Nakikita ko yung ating mga kabumbiruhan sa Region 7 ay isang malaki yung dedikasyon sa trabaho, may disiplina, at may malasakit. And with that qualities na makikita ko sa ating mga firefighters, naramdaman ko rin yung suporta at tiwala ng komunidad, lalo-lalo na ng ating mga local government unit that napaka-supportive nila sa ating mga fire prevention campaign at sa ating fire station within their respective area of responsibility.
Yes, sir. Totoo nga po yan na yung ating mga local government units is full support po sa ating sa BFP Region 7. Sir, dumako naman tayo, sir, sa the man behind the uniform. So, kilala po kayo ng marami bilang isang leader. Pero today, we would like to know you, sir, in more personal, sir, behind the snappy uniform you're wearing, sir. Can you share a little about yourself, sir, and your journey po dito sa bureau natin?
Thank you, Captain Ramas, for asking that question. Maganda rin yun na habang nagsiservisyo ako dito sa BEP Region 7 ay makilala nyo rin kung sino ako. Behind that uniform daw, ako ay isang simpleng tao lamang, isang ama,
Yes, sir.
isang asawa, at isang leader na somehow ay pinapahalagahan yung kapakanan or yung moral and welfare ng aking mga tauhan. Kasi the greatest asset of the organization is their personnel, is their yung ating mga trabahante, yung ating mga personnel asset, yun ang pinakamahalagang asset natin. Kasi pag bumaba yung moral ng ating personnel, it will reflect to their services to the public. Kaya isa yun sa mga pagtutuunan natin ng pansin as we go along as your regional director.
Yes, sir. Napaka-heartwarming naman po na you have described yourself bilang family man, sir, dahil sabi niyo nga po kayo isang asawa at isang Sir, being your parents as your influencer sa inyong buhay at leadership, how has your family shaped the person and the leader you are today, sir?
So, ang aking pamilya ay ang aking lakas at ang aking inspirasyon to give my best. Sila nagturo sa akin na para maging masipag,
Yes.
disiplinado, mapagmahal, at mayroong accountability. Kasi ito yung pamilya natin, pag nagkamali tayo, sila ang unang masasaktan. Kapag nagtagumpay naman tayo, sila yung pinakaunang nasisiyahan.
Yes.
Kaya, if you want always to make your family happy, ay kailangan natin itaas yung antas ng ating paglilingkod. We will be very proud if their father or their mother ay magtagumpay sa alinmang larangan ng ating paninerbisyo, ay nagiging proud yung ating pamilya, yung ating mga anak,
Yes, sir.
ang ating mga kapatid. They will make our accomplishment will make them proud. Kaya tayo ay inspired na gumawa pa, iangat pa yung landas, yung antas ng ating paninerbisyo. It's because of them.
Napaka-heartwarming ng sagot ni Sir, diba, sa katanungan natin. We got to know na he is really a family man, not just a leader in a uniform, not just a man in a uniform, but also a father and a husband in a uniform. Very heartwarming at napaka-touching, Sir, nung inyong sagot sa aming question. So, sino po ba yung naging biggest influence niyo, sir, sa inyong buhay at pati na rin po sa leadership niyo, sir?
Bilang isang Pilipino, sa kultura natin, yung malaking factor na nag-influence ng ating karakter, ng ating disiplin, yung ating pagkatao ay ang aking mga magulang.
Yes.
Of course, sila ay nagturo sa akin ng respeto, pagmamahal, pagtitiwala, at malasakit sa kapwa.
Yes.
At sa may way as a professional, as a firefighter, marami rin nag-influensya sa akin na yung iba retired na ng mga senior officer as well as my mentor ay saka meron pang mga active naman at may mga senior officers na nagpagugutan ko ng aking management strategy, yung aking pakikitungo sa kasamaan at sa mga yung ating community involvement ay karamihan nakuha din natin yan through our peers, through our mentors, to our senior officers, at napapaganda pa natin yung ang ating pagsiservisyo dahil it's because of their guidance.
Mukhang your family really have shaped you, sir, as a leader. Not only your parents, but also your immediate family, like your wife and your children, sir. Pero sabi nga po, nagsasabi na yung isang mabuting leader daw po ay parang father figure dito sa organization natin. Paano niyo po ma-describe sa viewers natin, especially sa mga personnel po natin na nanonood, kung ano po yung leadership style niyo, sir, dito po sa ating Bureau of Fire Protection Region 7? Ano po yung style niyo sa pag-lead po sa amin?
Kung naririnig nyo yung aking speech during the Monday flag raising ceremony, it's more on servant leadership.
Yes.
So, yung leadership natin na may respeto, may tiwala, may malasakit, at may accountability. Yun po yung ating puhunan para maitaas yung landas, yung antas ng ating serbisyo. Number one, yung integrity para mapagtiwalaan tayo.
Yes, sir.
Yung disiplina, ang discipline would lead us into excellence.
Yes, sir.
Yung pagmalasakit, ang paglilingkod natin na kung mayroong malasakit ay maramdaman ng taong bayan na we do it to the highest level ng ating kakayahan na maibigay sa kanila yung ating serbisyo.
Sir, sharing your values of leadership sa ating mga personnel, ano po yung pangunahing priorities niyo po ngayon sa BFP Region 7 sa mga susunod na buwan as you go on to your new assignment here po as a regional director? Ano po yung ipa-prioritize natin sa mga first months?
Una-una yung itaas natin yung kakayahan ng ating mga firefighters. Itaas natin yung antas kasi sila yung magde-deliver niyan sa public. Yung technology, gamitin natin para maipamahagi ng malawakan yung ating fire prevention campaign. The use of technology,
Yes.
our equipment, at saka yung ating community relation. Isa sa mga kailangan natin na maidala right into the doorstep of the community is how the Bureau of Fire Protection, kung paano natin i-transform yung isang organization into an interactive na maaabot ng taong bayan. Mailapit natin yung mga serbisyo natin, mga basic services natin doon sa community. Yung ating emergency response ay mapalakas natin at saka yung fire prevention campaign natin, maabot natin yung pinaka-grassroots ng community.
Yes, sir. Mukhang magiging mas malakas tayong puwersa ngayon, sir, sa leadership nyo. Sir, ano po yung nais nyo pang ipaalala sa ating mga personnel, mga uniform at non-uniform personnel natin as we go along, sir, sa new chapter, kumbaga, ng aming region through your leadership? Ano yung mga gusto nyo pong i-remind at always namin makita sa Bureau? Aside from our mantra, sir, na sa 7, walang kampante, laging abante. Ano pa po yung gusto nyong ipaalala sa ating mga kabomberohan dito sa Region 7?
Yes, to all the firefighters here in Region 7, all I ask to you is to serve the community with integrity. Kasi yung integrity, kung wala tayong integrity, yun ang magbibigay sa atin ng suporta at tiwala ng taong bayan. With discipline. Yung disiplina kailangan so that we could deliver the services of the Bureau of Fire Protection to the highest level. Yung isa pang karakter na gusto nating i-impart na mayroon dapat yung Bureau of Fire is yung pagmalasakit.
Yes, sir.
Sa kapwa, malasakit sa kasamahan at
Yes.
malasakit sa taong bayan. Then is, kailangan natin yung tapang ng isang bumbero that would somehow face any adversity brought about by fire or brought about by calamities.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Nakaka-inspire lahat ng mga sagot niyo, sir. So, ngayon mas nakilala natin ang ating regional director sa kanyang leadership at sa kanyang vision. Ngayon, sir, medyo relax tayo. Ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng fast talk, kumbaga. Quick question, sir. Quick answer. Bali, one word, pwede lang kung one word or 2 words ang sagot niyo. So, pampa-warm up, sir. Are you a morning person, sir, or a night owl?
Morning.
Coffee or tea, sir?
Coffee.
Early to work or working late?
Early to work.
Favorite way to spend your day off?
With family.
Favorite food, sir? Filipino food.
Yes, Filipino food.
Anong klaseng food, sir? Kung anong ulam, sir?
Actually, very little.
Beach or mountain, sir?
Beach.
Book or movie?
Book.
Leadership or management?
Leadership.
One word your family would use to describe you, sir.
Handsome.
3 words that's best describe yourself, sir.
Not so handsome.
Grabe lang yun, sir. Medyo napakabig agad, sir. Sa leadership naman tayo, sir. Most important quality of a leader for you, sir.
Integrity.
Discipline or compassion?
Compassion.
Lead by example or lead by instruction?
Lead by example.
Servant leadership nga, sabi niyo kanina, di ba, sir? Biggest lesson you've learned in public service, sir?
Humility.
Best advice you've ever received?
Take charge.
One value you will never compromise, sir?
Integrity.
BFP edition naman tayo, sir. What's your most memorable assignment, sir?
First City Fire Marshal.
Wow, sir.
Capiz City Fire Station.
Shout out sa mga naging personnel dyan, sir. What makes a great firefighter?
Courage. Integrity. One word lang pala, integrity.
Okay, sir. Wala naman, hindi naman bila. Most rewarding part of your career, sir?
Being the regional director.
One thing every firefighter should never forget, sir?
King.
Thing or value, sir?
I think it is still integrity.
Yes, sir. Your most proudest moment in the bureau, sir?
Appointment ko dito.
Yes, sir. Let's complete the sentence naman, sir. Leadership is?
Leadership is serving others.
A good firefighter is?
Physically and mentally fit.
Yes, sir. Public service means?
Public trust.
Success is?
Success is leading other to succeed. Leading other for success.
Yes, sir. Family is?
Life
BFP Region 7 will be?
will be soar high. Soar high.
Yes, sir.
Will soar high.
We're going to the last parts of our interview, sir. What message can you give to the people of Central Visayas?
Again, mayong hapon sa tanan. To the people of Central Visayas, expect that our firefighter will be seen in your community. We ask your cooperation. We are your friend. We are here to save your lives and properties in the event of the disaster. Pag nakikita niyo po yung bumbero sa inyong kanayunan, ay they are your friendly firefighters. Kakampi niyo kami lagi. Kakampi niyo kami sa inyong pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. Kakampi niyo kami during times of disaster. Kakampi niyo kami in normal times. At we are asking your cooperation when we visit your community. Makikita, i-expect nyo po yung ating mga firefighter ay makikita nyo sa inyong mga lansangan. And we are here to deliver our services. Kaya nga sabi ko, pagtingin pa natin yung ating house-to-house fire safety,
Yes,
fire safety inspection para maihatid natin yung serbisyo ng Bureau of Fire Protection right into the doorstep of the community.
Yes, sir. Sir, maraming salamat, sir, for giving us some of your time this afternoon dito sa Bumbero 7. I hope all the viewers together with me get to know more personally ang ating regional director. Again, maraming salamat po, sir, for sharing your story, for your leadership and philosophy, and of course, your values, sir. Today's conversation reminds us na leadership is built on integrity, compassion, humility, and genuine commitment in serving the community. To all our viewers, thank you for joining us in this special episode of BFP TV Bumbero 7 Together. Let us continue to support the Bureau of Fire Protection as we work toward building communities and strengthening the culture of public service. Ako po si Fire Senior Inspector Rizel Anramas, and this has been the Commander's Desk sa BFP TV Bumbero 7. Again, sa 7, walang kampante, laging kabante.